What's up, guys? Welcome to the stream. This is like fully brand new for me. Never streamed anything in my life before, but today we're streaming Market Open. Okay, so when I point here, it's there. I gotta see if I can flip the orientation of the camera. Sorry, guys. It's like my first time ever streaming, and like I have no idea how like any of this works. Like, let me see how it looks on my phone. Can you guys even hear me? Can you guys even hear me at all? I'm like, can you guys even hear me? Oh, yeah. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Anyways, so cool. The audio's working. I gotta see how to flip the orientation of the camera. That's something I gotta do now. Okay. Transform, flip horizontal. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's better. Okay, I fixed it. So I hope you guys can see that. Let's see. Okay, cool. So now we're here. I don't know why it looks like that, but whatever. I guess it's like kind of blurry. It's okay. It's an okay camera. It's that Logitech camera, but I'm probably going to be sitting like this, so let's angle it down a little bit. There we go. That's much better, actually. We can go even lower. Yeah, that's better. So, anyways, back here to the main scene. Today we're going to be day trading NQ, ES, MNQ, MES. So, for some reason, it signed me out of my broker, I think. Yeah, it did. Okay. Let me switch to face cam only because I'm going to put in these details for my funded. Oh, looks really dark. So just so you guys get a little background on me, I'm a trader. I've had my first payout already. Yeah, I've had my first payout. Things went well. It was a grind and a half just to get to the first payout. Obviously, it's not easy, but things went well. And now I lost that account that I was trading on. So, oh yeah, I'm also trading on Top Step too. So, okay, let me get that going as well. Okay, cool. So we should be good to go. All right, so I'm trading this 25K account. I honestly was like over leveraging and kind of doing a lot of stupid things with this account because I was testing it and like never used 25K. I've always used 50Ks. So that happened, and then yeah. So now I'm here trying to trade both of the accounts. I have a Top Step account, a Top Step 50K, and then I have a Tradeify 25K growth. So let me, oh, I gotta figure out how to turn off that stuff. Anyways, but since we're here, let's play some tunes, I guess. Let's see what's going on here. I gotta figure out how to turn off those email notifications. How to turn off settings. Dude, there's so much stuff you have to do for the streaming stuff. It's really like a lot, honestly. Okay. Let's play some tunes. Oh my god, bro, this is ridiculous. Wow. Bro, this is so annoying. Okay, now I can hear it. Oh. Alright, anyways, now that that's all going, I hope you guys can hear me normally. I'm not sure. But I think I need to turn down the music for now while I'm talking. Anyway, so right now I'm going to chart out everything. So delete all the stuff I had on here before. And let's get going. So here's MNQ. And I'll be taking the trades like live in front of you. You guys will see P&Ls, everything. I'm not trying to hide anything. Like you guys will see, I literally have 2 funded accounts. Like here, let me just show you this. You see the balance down here to this account. So I'm already in drawdown. Then I have this top step account that you guys can see my performance here before I started streaming. So this is how I've been trading this. I have nothing to hide at all. So yeah. I just have those 2 funded accounts right now. I'm trying to get them passed and then be able to trade again for another payout. But let's see what happens. So here's MNQ's thing. It's I kind of want to get an idea of what happened here. So not too much going on. But it's time to chart things up, I guess. So let's start charting. So what's up with you guys? Like, I mean, what's new here? This is my first time streaming. I mean, it's interesting because I'm used to making YouTube videos where like people are, you know, no one's watching and like I can make mistakes and edit them out. But with streaming, I really can't do that because, well, obviously it's live. There's no editing. So let's see. There's like no draws on liquidity. See, that would have been a mistake I would have edited out on YouTube a while back ago. Am I even allowed to say bad words on stream? Like I don't know. But dude, these are April lows that I'm targeting. Wow. Okay. I feel like we already took out most of the liquidity areas here. We went even deeper. I don't know if we're going to want to take these out and then go up higher, but I'll chart up to here, I think, because we could touch these highs. You never really know. Yesterday and the other day, we just like straight dumped. Like nothing happened except just a huge dump. Let's see. Let's see how the kick looks. Okay, cool. So everything's working the way I wanted it to. I know you guys are looking for signals, and you will probably get them here, honestly, because I'm just going to take a trade. It's up to you if you want to take it or not. Let's see. So that's the 4 hour. Let's see the 1 hour. On the 1 hour. It's kind of weird too, because I usually trade in silence, not really talk to myself when I'm doing this. It's kind of weird, but whatever. Let's see. We have that. Okay. yeah, if you're just joining now, I was showing my P&L here for this account. We've been kind of doing pretty good. This is like a break-even kind of thing. This was a pretty good day. Yesterday was pretty good, even though yesterday was actually horrible. Like, let me see where that's at. Yeah, this is the what I was trading yesterday, or here, somewhere here, I don't know. But yeah, it doesn't look like too much happened overnight. Let's see if there's any draws down here. There's this, I guess. That's about it. I mean, could always mark up more, but if I don't need to, I'm not gonna do that. Oh, forgot this high. Forgot this high. I really like to use this indicator in the mornings. You'll see why in a second. So, honestly, for now, I can turn it off. Oops. And then here on ES, I've got to get rid of all these drawings. Go back to the 4 hour. Oh, what's the date? I don't know if you guys have seen the daily. Like, what is this? This is horrible. Like, at least the other dailies, there's a lot of like flow. This is just like this chop, 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 chop. So that's why the market's been horrible. But it's to be expected because it's, you know, summer months, and that's when price action's really bad. So if you guys are just getting into trading now, honestly, it's really hard, but it's like, I'd say it's like driving an F1 car. If you've never driven any car, that's what this feels like if you've never traded before. Let's see. Man, this just looks like such a mess. Honestly, I might not even trade. Like, it just depends. Like, I'm not setting any expectations here that you guys are gonna think like, oh, I'm gonna take a trade for sure. Like, no, I don't force trades. I'm just gonna follow my rules, journal. That's like what I always do. So I'm just gonna be live. If I take a trade, cool. If I don't, whatever. It is what it is. Let's see. So if you're wondering what I'm doing here, I'm literally just marking out the highs and the lows, like the major draws on liquidity. And I'm also looking at the market to get an idea of like what I think is going to happen today. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I'll explain it so you guys can learn too if you've never, well, gotta hide the emails showing up. That's like not good. Let's see here. So then we have that. And then let's see what's next here. Nothing here on the 1 hour. See anything down here maybe? Oh, this. Or this get taken out. Oh no, okay. So yeah, this is looking like that. Okay. So if we look at the chart here, ES has a lot more draws to the downside than NQ. So clearly NQ here is the more bearish index, and this still has this data wick here to take out. So yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Let me look at the structures of both of these real quick. So 4 hour is bearish. There's nothing bullish about it. I mean, you had some retracements, but it's still mostly bearish. The 1 hour is bullish actually. Wow, yeah, the 1 hour is bullish. Oh wait, no, it's bearish. So the 1 hour is bearish, 4 hours bearish. Then we have 15 minute. 15 minute is 15 minutes also bearish. And yeah, we're bearish on that. Let's go to ES now, take a look at ES, what's going on here. So ES looks like it's actually bullish on the 4 hour, but we are coming down. Obviously we'd have to break structure down here, so we don't know about that. And then on the 1 hour, we are bearish on the 1 hour on ES, and then on the 15 we're also bearish. Okay, so then the 5 minutes, perspective 5 minutes, these are bearish as well, and then this is also, well, technically it's bullish, but it's about to be bearish because, yeah, we're dumping out that. Anyway, so let's mark out market open here. Okay. Oh yeah, by the way, it says 6:30 because I'm here on the West Coast, and then that's the time here. So right now it's 6:18 a.m. We have 12 minutes until market open. And yeah, let's see what happens. I'm curious though. What do you guys think, long or short today? Personally, I think short, but obviously that's just my idea. These things can change very easily. Oh yeah, I never showed you guys that indicator I had in mind. This one. Love this indicator. It's really cool. It shows you Asia session, and then it shows you London session, and then it shows you NY AM and NY lunch, and then NY PM, all the sessions here. You can see all of it here in one. But yeah, we can see London high, London high. I have another indicator that marks out London highs and London lows, because those are, always key levels for liquidity. So right now, it looks like we're going to sweep out this low down here, this London low here, and it looks like we're already, we already swept out the London low for on ES. So London low has been swept on ES. London low is almost getting swept on NQ. So we'll see where this ends up going in the next 11 minutes. Let's see, someone's texting me. Jumping tunes for you guys. I need to post right now that I'm live, actually. Forgot about that. Let's see how to do this. Wow, I don't even know how to post. Let's get a cool angle of this. Guys, if you can do links on TikTok? Like, I've never like done this before. Is there a way that I can do a link on a TikTok story? I need something more like hype than this. Alright, posted that over there. what, 8 minutes till market opens. Not bad. Let's see. Let's see. Oh. Sorry guys, I need to fix some latency issue for you guys actually. Fix and correct but I don't want to have any delays on the stream because then you guys can't take the trade at the same time. Okay, I can't mess with that right now. That's kind of annoying. I think I need to be off stream to mess with that. Okay, well, we're gonna have to deal with it the way it looks then. I mean, it looks good on my thing, but it says. Okay, we can set a follower goal. Okay, well, our goal's 100. Alright, see what that does. Yo. Chill, I'm on stream. Yeah, no. Two. Yeah, here, let me just leave music and then let me go quiet. Sorry about that, everyone. I had a quick phone call to take care of. Anyways, market just opened. We're about 1 minute into market open. Let's see. Okay, we have 1 minute until market open. No, market's been open for 1 minute, my bad. And then let's see what's going on here. So right now, NQ is taking out these London lows. I still am pretty bearish on the day. I think that's what's gonna happen, just personally. Oh, and if any of you guys know, like, what do you guys think of these Apex accounts? I was kind of looking at some of these new Apex accounts to do, like, because it's like 20 bucks, and I mean, there's an activation fee of like 125, but I was thinking about it, unless there's any funded that you guys recommend. But anyways, moving on here, we're taking out these London lows here, and then ES is kind of going downwards. We did break structure on the 5 minute upwards. I don't know if you guys caught that. That's what this red line means for me. So we broke structure here on the 5 minute, but I really don't think we're gonna leave these London lows just untouched. That would be like just really annoying, honestly. But I guess we're gonna have to wait and see what happens with this this thing. This is just a horrible price action, honestly. But yeah, that doesn't. I don't know. That doesn't look good. But still really early into market open, so there's not much I can do about it, anyways. Yo. You can send it to him, that's fine. No idea. Yo, look. Alright, bro. Alright, later. Okay, so yeah, my thing is working actually, yeah. Alright, so this first 5 minute, did it take out anything? No, we just went up. Okay, so we literally left these lows just completely untouched, and it just went straight up after that. That's crazy. So, this is, I don't know what to expect with this. This is really kind of boof. Not good today either. This week has just been a horrible price action. Like, you should have seen the trade I got yesterday. It was just some little mini scalp, basically. But now we're turning up here, and even if I want to go long, I can't even take longs until I get like confirmation from that. Let's see, ES here. ES is way lower now. So ES was the more bullish, now it's the more bearish because it's trending lower than this one. Oh man. I mean, we missed these lows, which is just, even scary just to take longs up to these highs because we just didn't take these two out, these two like important levels. So, and then here on ES, I'm thinking like we already took out those London lows, but we're not seeing any motion out of ES. It's literally just been sitting here. Like, look at this wick, this body. I really want to see NASDAQ. Okay, this is what I'm looking to see. I'll draw it out for you guys. I'm looking to see this, and then some like chop, and then this. That's what I'm like trying to see out of this, because that's kind of what it looks like right now. But I could also be very open to seeing this, this, and then this. That's like another very high possibility for me to want to take that trade. Do you guys get a lot of spam calls? I get so many of these things. It's really annoying. Oh shit. Since people just left the stream after I gave them the where I thought the market was gonna go. That's actually insane. That's actually hilarious. Wow. Wow, this is just really bad. Like, honestly, I'm trading today and it's just like horrible price action, like nothing exciting. I don't even gonna get a clip out of this. It's so terrible. And I can't even take shorts until we break structure back down on the 5 minutes. So that's like really cooked. 5 minute break of structure is all the way down here for ES, and then for NASDAQ, it's down over here. So if we break structure, maybe we can just take these out and then push up higher, and then that'll give us a good opportunity of where the market wants to go. But I just gotta wait. It's just a waiting game. But looking at the way this looks, this doesn't look too promising. This looks really bad, actually. See, what was that, man? Oh yeah, let's see this real quick. So we have FOMC. Oh, that's why. It's probably gonna be really slow today because FOMC is at 11, and there's probably not gonna be too much motion going on. Tomorrow should be good. Friday should be good also. Let's see if there's any new like news stuff. What is this? This was an hour ago. 9 hours ago. Okay, so nothing really, just Trump tweeting, but points news. I mean, okay, everything looks okay here. Honestly, I'm not too concerned about any of this stuff here. So the news looks good. I mean, we are going to see kind of chop because of FOMC happening later today. I'm not going to be trading FOMC. I usually don't trade FOMC because it's not as volatile anymore. Plus, we already know, like, we already have a pretty good idea if we're going to get rate cuts or not. So not too concerned about that. Like, here. We can go here. See, Fed decision in July. Everyone's expecting no change, especially, it makes sense to have no change because we have the new Fed chair, so he's brand new, Kevin Warsh, so like I don't really think there's going to be too much going on with that. This is just horrible price action. I mean, didn't even get a breakdown here. Let's see. Broke down in the 1 minute, but that's still not enough. can't like actually just accept taking longs because we're literally, look, the 4 hour is bearish. 4 hours bearish, has a bearish structure. 1 hour, okay, the 1 hour is also bearish. You can see right here the break structure right here. 15-minute is literally bearish. The 5-minute is bullish for now. And then on ES, it's kind of the same story. I think, yeah, see, 4 hours actually bullish on ES, and then the 1 hour is bearish. The 15-minute is also bearish, and the 5-minute is also bullish for now because it's huge wick. So I'm really leaning towards shorts, but obviously I can't take shorts on such a small time frame because I need to see a 5-minute breakdown at least. It'd be kind of stupid for me to long after like a 1-minute break structure here and treating this as a retrace because everything else is pointing to the downside, so it doesn't really make sense to be hitting longs when price looks like this. So honestly, it's time to just wait. Gotta wait until the 5-minute break on either index. On both would be ideal, but for ES it's all the way down here. So I really want to see a break on NASDAQ. Plus, I like trading NASDAQ more. I think it's a better asset, honestly. I'm also planning this whole birthday party this weekend. It's funny. There's a lot to do. I've planned many parties, but not really for myself. There's a lot like of steps to it, like a lot of things, a lot of moving parts to that. So that's interesting. Bro, this is just horrible price action. But I want to stop complaining about price action. I'm just going to look for a proper trade. There's nothing going on here. Okay. So if this closes bullish, then we have a new level for a 5-minute break. In a perfect world, which I don't think is going to happen, but we can just like break structure barely and then push up, and then I can short to these London lows and these lows here, and then target this and this. But that's in a perfect planet. I doubt we'll get that. But yeah, that's closing already. So we have that movement there. 215's doing. 15's nothing. Okay. Yes is still just doing its thing here. You guys feel free to chat if there's anything you need to say. Say it in the chat. I'll actually read it. Okay, gotta wait, just keep waiting. This is the real trading, by the way. You just sit and wait. You just sit around and you wait for something to happen. I doubt we take out these three. Maybe we can take this out first. So let's see if we get this break here. We have 3 minutes until this candle closes. This also is trending downward. So kind of my idea looks like it's playing out right now. But I need to see that 5-minute breakdown and a 5-minute retrace to the upside, then a 1-minute break. 5-minute retrace meaning like a 1-minute break up and a 1-minute break down, and then I can literally just short. I'm ready to short. So if this plays out, also watching ES, making sure ES is actually properly dumping, then we are looking good for trades here. I only trade until 7:30, by the way. Like if it's past 7:30, I'm off the charts. Alright, so it looks like we are getting that sell off on ES, like I said. And then here we are. Looks like we're breaking structure and we're taking out those lows. Obviously, that'd be too perfect if it literally just went up right after that, but there's still some really good areas to target anyways for shorts. Just got to make sure the bias actually plays out, and that we got to wait patiently to make sure that we're not reversing off of sweeping these lows here, because these are good draws and now we just swept them out. So yeah, so see, now we got to make sure we maintain a 5-minute break of structure and not, it wasn't just a sweep to go higher. So we got to see what happens in the next minute there. On this, it looks like we're still dumping, but we are a ways away from this 5-minute break structure down here. So, but it looks like we're headed in the right direction. Let's see MNQ here. Dude, there's so much crap, so many spam emails that show up. It's so annoying. I'm gonna turn off those notifications for tomorrow's stream. A few other things I need to polish, but yeah. So we are looking good for that 5-minute break. I want this one. Okay. It's crazy. No one said anything in the chat. It's insane, actually. You can ask me any question. I'll literally answer it. 40 seconds on this candle here. Confirm my break of structure. See what ES is doing. Honestly, I'm gonna get my top step ready to mark out because I kind of have to mark out those draws. Sorry guys, I'm gonna lock in for a second to get this done fast. Okay, so we did get that break, which is really cool. So now, all I need to see before this thing just keeps dumping ES is also getting that break now, so things are looking pretty good. We took out these draws already, so what I need to see now is go on the 1 minute and see a 1-minute break of structure back to the upside, and hopefully this trade doesn't just leave me in the dust. I really hope that's not the case. So please kind of rotate back up, that would be fantastic. Oh man, it's just a straight dump. If it leaves without me, then the trade wasn't meant for me, and then it is what it is. But okay, we are. Wow, that's crazy. At least my prediction was correct. I did predict the market. So let's see what's gonna happen here. If we get like a crazy retrace right now, it's gonna be perfect for this. But if we take this out, just dump straight down, it's cooked. really want to see a break above this. But let's see what ES is doing. ES is well below that. ES took out these other significant lows, so we could even reverse off of that, which might give us our entry. But we're so close now to this. Please just go up. Using this to maybe go up higher. Make it bigger maybe? Nah, it took out the low already. Damn. Okay, so it looks like we're just going lower. And I'm not getting any retraces. Like this is what I've been dealing with, guys. This market has been just acting like this every day. I haven't taken a single trade. I'm just waiting patiently. But I will get off at 7:30. And we already took out this other draw that I was really interested in, unfortunately. Yeah, look at that candle, man. What is this? ES, wow. Straight downward. Honestly, I might even short on ES now, because ES is the more bearish index, actually. Is it, though? No, I still want to short on NQ, actually. These, what is this actually? What is this that I've marked down here? What the hell is this? Hold on. Oh, this draw is taken out already. Yeah, NASDAQ has these two draws here. ES has these super good relative equal lows, and these other two relative equal lows. Maybe I want to short this on ES, but I need some kind of motion like, upwards right now, because this is really not the vibe. Like, I would appreciate if we just ripped up real quick, but come on. Let's see, what can we expect to happen here? Okay, let's hope we can get a break up from this. I'm just trying to get one good trade, man. Okay, well, now we can target a break structure right here. Stop going lower. Jeez, straight downward. Now looking good. For me to take a trade. Oh, this is just disappointing. I'm trying to see now. Was there an entry within this that I missed? Break up, 5 minute break down. Yeah, then we got no motion back up. Okay, we're not playing that zesty ass shit here. Okay, come on. Just turn up now so I can short. Need a retrace. You can't trade this, guys. If you guys think like, oh, you missed shorts. No, I didn't. This is untradeable price action. Especially ES just broke 5 minute off of this candle. Now we're just straight dumping down. This is untradeable. There's no entry here. When like you put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down candles in like, 20 minutes. This has an up candle, but we weren't broken with the structure. We broke structure off this candle actually. So and I finally see motion upwards. Like right now, this is. Or should I just short? What do you guys think? Just smack shorts right now. Short that shit. Alright guys, so it looks like our trade is leaving without us. It might be cooked, but it's really not doing anything about this. I need it to turn up at least, because on the 5 minute we've literally just been trading downwards the whole time. It's 15 minute. Look at that candle, guys. What is that? On the 5 minute, just trending downwards. All I'm literally looking for is to take out these two lows and see what's ES doing. ES is still above those lows that I kind of want. So all I'm really looking for today, right now, is to see motion to the upside. Maybe a break would be ideal. Break to the upside, then a break back down, and I can literally smack shorts of these two lows and then call it a day. If we can even get that. Let's take a look at this. We have the FBG right here. If we inverse this, we're looking good to get that break up. I'm looking for a pretty decent retrace because this is just a huge dump. Like if we look at it from here, it's like almost, you know, that much of a dump. It's 0.70% of a drop. So we can get motion upwards, inverse this gap. Let's see this as well. Oh shit. Go here. I need to see something that's showing me bullish confirmation and then bearish confirmation out of it, because I need to see a retrace, because these things have moved just way too much to the downside. So, bro, I get so many like spam messages, it's actually not even funny. Okay, see if we can inverse this gap. Honestly, part of me is thinking if we just see like bearish pressure out of it, put stops here, and then just short to these two lows. Okay, 7 a.m. is in 1 minute, so let's see how that open plays out. It should actually rip up, I think. So let's wait 3 seconds until that 7 a.m. candle. What did I say, guys? What did I say? Alright, yeah. What did I say? I told you guys that the 7 a.m. candle is always wicked. So let's see this break up. Even inversing this gap is fantastic. Let's see it break up. Any news, anything going on? No? Nothing? Okay, looking good. Let's see what ES is doing now. ES is not inverse its gap. It should though. Oh wait, but because we did put in that bullish candle, we have just broken up on the, oh no, almost broke structure the upside on ES. What's going on with this here? Inverse the gap with you, bro. I hate these emails, they're so annoying. Okay, if we're gonna break back down, I might just smack shorts on ES right now. I guess MES, because I don't want to dry my small Wait, we can't get a break up on it? Wow.
You found some better place and I miss you. Like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you. Yeah. Like the deserts miss the rain.
Beautiful motion. That's exactly what I want to see. It's a 5-minute, beautiful 5-minute retrace right there. Come on, turn up, break up. Go. Yeah, okay, perfect. Now, all we need to see, literally a break back down on this. And I'm gonna get this short. See what ES didn't break structures in this, whatever, I guess we gotta go higher. Maybe it wants to sweep these little lows here. We don't need that. We inverse the gap to the upside. We're just putting in a higher thing, but maybe we don't even get it. But if we get it on NASDAQ, I'm for sure shorting that. Yeah, man. Okay. Let's turn up. Okay, and if you notice here, we're also tracing this 5-minute gap. Around here, 5 minutes. So literally all I'm waiting for is some motion to the downside, break the structure here, and I can short this. I'm gonna short 6 cons on my top step account, and I'm gonna short 2 or 3 on my 25K Tradify account because I think it's smart. Yeah, this is actually looking pretty good because ES never. This is actually looking pretty good because ES never broke structure, so to the upside. So if we just mess around, wait a little bit, we might be looking pretty good.
Bodies, I got plenty on my roster, but you're the only one that gets me hotter than the others. Erratic situation, if you call it, don't say a word because your body keeps on talking. Underneath the covers, I can't read your body language. I don't want no drama. I just want your body.
Alright, bro. Now you're just ripping.
I can't read your body language. I don't want no drama. I just want your body, baby. Underneath the covers.
Joking, man.
I just want your body, baby. I just want your body, baby.
Who really wants to fill out this 5-minute gap? This one here. I guess I can see it. I mean, I did expect like a pretty decent retrace because of the candles and the magnitude of the ones we put in. Most of the time, everything works usually. I mean, look, I haven't even shown you this actually. Look. Yeah, so this shit does work, by the way. People wondering.
I just want your body, baby.
Yeah. Yeah. I like this one. Okay. Looks like we're getting exactly what I want to see here.
Fast money, fast cars, I live for this shit. My young nigga, no man, they gon' kill for this shit. Shaking my head, my future too real for this shit. My first investment was a vaccine, then I got
Honestly, I'm just gonna start it now. So it leaves me.
My young nigga, no man, they gon' kill for this shit. Shaking my head, my future too real for this shit. My first investment was a vaccine,
entered a bit early, not gonna lie. This is the trade we got.
Ride on me, she gon' take a drive in a line on me. She wanna ride on me in a lake, babe. She wanna ride on me, she gon' take a drive in a line on me. She wanna ride on me in a lake, babe.
Alright, see what happens. See what ES is doing. ES is looking amazing. It's probably gonna pick up the flows. So this was my trade. We got that break structure already, so we are looking pretty good, honestly. I'm not too concerned about this. I might... We are looking good on this. I kind of wish I took it on ES, but it's fine. I'm not too stressed about it. Why? We gotta... Here. Why did we enter this? Because we broke structure to the downside on the 5 minute down here. This is the retrace. This blue candle's the retrace up. And then we broke structure up on the 1 minute, and then we broke structure back down on the 1 minute. And as you can see, we're cooking. So literally, that's it. Super simple. I'm actually going to sell off one con because I forgot I have a daily limit on this. So it's still not enough, but whatever. Alright, let's let it cook. Oh yeah, we're for sure dumping these lows on ES, and then MQ should get to this level. I'll move stops to break even once we hit this. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. No big deal. Because even if I get stopped out on this trade, I still followed my rules exactly like the way I would trade this. So you can see everything else is pointing bearish too. So I see this kind of just continuing the downwards motion. We're super bearish on every time frame, so that's another reason why I was kind of looking for shorts on this trade, because everything's pointing to the downside. And look at that motion. Hit that, come on. Top set is cooking, we're up 572. Oh wait, I actually just passed the funded on this shit. Didn't realize. Funded has been passed. Move the stop here. Trade fucking smacked. Move stops to break even. Bro, stop fucking. Stops our break even. I actually just passed the funded account off that, so that's awesome. Passed another funded 3K, you see? This was my P&L on this account. We absolutely fucking cooked. So, alright, funded pass. 53,000. Let's go on the top set dashboard. And we have passed. Right? That just hasn't updated, but you guys can see my balance up here. 53,000, we passed them, they're funded. Now we're just trailing these lows here. I don't know. I think honestly I'm gonna just trail stops down here because I want to make some extra cash. I don't know if we're gonna hit that, but ES is doing. ES took all those lows out, so I'm honestly down to just close out the rest of the trade here. Because if you guys are wondering why I closed the trade early and didn't hold it, is because ES already took out all these draws I was actually looking for. Really cost some shit. So yeah, ES took out all these draws that I was already looking for, and we're probably gonna reverse off of it because when we look on the 1 hour, this was like all the liquidity that was just resting here, and for it to get all the way down here, that's kind of a stretch. So I could see just price reversing, and I kind of fucked up. I should have taken the trade on ES, but I ended up taking it on MNQ. So I don't think price would get all the way down here. Maybe there's a 50-50 chance, but I'd rather be, you know, more risk management and then kind of stay out of that because we already took it out. And as you can see, we're kind of rejecting that already. See, we're coming back up. So that's why I close out the trade. So today's trade, I'll show you guys P&L because I have nothing to hide on this account that's in drawdown. I made $283.70 today on this one, and then on the Top Step account, you guys can see I made $648. The trade actually auto closed on me. It would have been over 1,000, but it just auto closed on me because it passed the account. So now we're here at 53K. So yeah, we have passed. You can see the profit target has been hit. So probably get an email later today for this Top Step thing. Close total P&L, beautiful. Oh yeah, it has to update because I could still blow it. Like if I act stupid and then I trade it later, I could actually blow the account. But you can see the trade is kind of looking good. So anyways, that's it, I guess. I mean, really easy trade, kind of textbook. It's just patience, honestly, that it took for me to get it. But yeah, this is the setup today. Shit, I don't got much else to say. That was the trade. If you took it, you probably made some bucks. Could have passed your funded if you full ported. That's on you though. You can see price is literally just reversing off of that level that I've marked out when I said it was. So it might go back down, you know, but I'd rather, you know, be safe than sorry because these are fundeds. That's the thing. People tell you to just full port all your fundeds and act stupid and try to pass them in one day. No, bro, don't try to pass it in one day because then you're never going to be consistent and you're basically just gambling. You take your time with the funded account and like you actually trade how you're supposed to trade. You can see P&Ls like this. Like I didn't lose one fucking day while I was trading this funded. Not one loss. Every day was green and I passed it in a week, basically. A week and 2 days. So I was acting stupid with this one. I was in drawdown here, but I was like full porting it, which I should not have been doing anyways. But now we're looking better on it, right? I didn't blow it. Now we're looking a lot better now. I'm only down 50 bucks on it, but you can see how like I'll show you guys all these metrics because I'm not like embarrassed about it. You can see I lost $600 in one day. Like, why am I risking that much money? That doesn't make sense, you know, to risk 600 like that. And you can see I only take one trade, one trade. This one says 2 trades because I had 2 take profits, but I'm only taking 1 trade a day. But I was acting stupid and I, you know, messed it up like that. But all right, well, I think my theory played out exactly what I thought was going to happen. That's why I closed the trade out over here. I doubt it's going to go back down. I think we're just going to literally just rip up now, especially, and we might just consolidate for a really long time because don't forget we have FOMC happening today. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to get off stream now. You guys took the trade. Hope you enjoyed, whatever. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be trading market open again tomorrow. So later, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.